everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Akhalwaya and I like to cook. On my channel, I share videos of recipes that I like cooking, and tonight I will be sharing a prawn recipe. In my prawn recipe, I use coconut milk, so if you don't like coconut milk, then you can replace that with fresh cream. It works just as well. And also yogurt works too, but not like in the same amount, with the cream in the same amount, but then with yogurt just add like 2 or 3 spoons. You'll see when it gets creamy, but it tastes just as good. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, guys. If you haven't subscribed and you're coming back and you're still not subscribed, come on guys, that's free.
Purchase your tracks today.
For our curry, we have the prawns. They are deshelled and deveined, and I have my garlic and ginger. I have 1 tomato nicely diced. I have my chili and the turmeric. I have an onion, half an onion, nicely chopped. And we have the ground black pepper, the coriander seeds, and the cumin seeds. We have the dried thyme. We have the coconut milk, which you can replace with fresh cream or yogurt. I have my white wine vinegar. And yeah, I'm just gonna pour the white wine vinegar into my prawns and let it sit.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
please give it a thumbs up.